think we should be live. Yeah, so today we are basically building a hospital management system using Go and Next.js. And yeah, this is a project for a school thingy I have. So this is for that. The whole system is the backend is built through Next.js. So not the backend, the front end. The backend is all Go. It's just pure Go with Postgres. It's available on GitHub if you like. There's also a quick and easy Docker file, so you can get started with this as soon as possible. Yeah. So this is me building some stuff for it. Now, as you can see, let me just give you a small brief of it. Right. So we have two servers running. One is the next server, which is running on port 3000, which is using the app directory, React server components, and the experimental server actions, which is what will handle most of the forms in this page. 90% of the UI is server rendered, so it's extremely fast. It's quite cool, honestly. And the backend is running on port 2468, and it's Go backend with about how many 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and yeah, about 26 routes. So yeah, so it's a simple Go backend with 26 routes and a Next.js backend, a front end with some cool stuff. The UI itself is styled using Tailwind CSS, and except that, rest are all standard Redux UI components that I got off of Shad CN, which has honestly become my favorite component framework. It's so damn cool. So most of the UI, this form, for example, the inputs, the inputs, the buttons, the toggles are all Shad CN. So yeah, I've been loving the whole experience so far. The authentication I use is a simple JWT authentication. So if I just head on over to my uh, DevTools right here, let me do it like that, so it might be easier for you to see. And go into storage. As you can see, there's a very simple JWT token that's being stored. That hopefully it gives me a parse value, and yeah, it's just a really small token array. And this JWT is authenticated in the uh, what the API, the backend API. So if I just send in a new request to auth, which will be get, and with the header, I guess the header is inherited. Yeah. So that should be inherited from the collection. If I just do that, send that, I'll just get this authorized. So this authorized, I am then putting into a small React hook called useauth, which takes in the cookies, does a request to the backend, which is a small constant I defined here, which is just localhost 2486, and that does a request, and if the data is authorized, it sends true or false instead. The rest is all Next.js. So I have a protected folder that inherits from layout, that if you are not authenticated, it just asks you to authenticate it. So this UI was first written in Astro. I tried writing it, which was really interesting, but I wanted a lot more uh, inheritance and React component stuff. So, and mainly I wanted to learn React server components. So I switched over to Next.js. And let me just give you a small demo of the pages I have built. So I can log out, that will be good. I can go to the main hospital, the front end, And yeah, I just have this for now, this cool little stuff. I can go log in. I can enter a random doc ID, give in a nice password, and I'll be logged in. So yeah, that's it. So currently we have a few patients. We can search some of the patients. Now if I click on that, yeah, initial render, it takes some time. Give it some time. Let pro book. There we go. So we have all a good little info. You can print the receipt. You can mark the payment. You can set a new appointment as such. You can update details, delete the entry, standard CRUD operations. And yeah, you have a nice searchable archive of stuff. So I can, let's say I want to search for people with back pain. There you go, James Brown again. You want, I think I have a Jake Sully here. No, we don't have a Jake Sully. Sugar problems. There you go. Ramesh Kumar has sugar problems for some reason. And is being treated by Dr. Olivia, which is good. So that's Dr. Olivia. Welcome to your premium Dr. Dashboard. And here is once again the same searchable component, which is awesome. So yeah, this is what I've built till now. And the to-dos here is I need a way to notify if a patient is pending or not. And I also need to set in something so that I identify who the doctor actually is. Right. So that I guess simply I can go into the login component and oh it's not there. Page.tsx login there. Yeah, there we go. So right here where I'm setting a token for the data.token, upon login I think I get a data.number if I'm not mistaken. Actually, uh, let me just check that from HTTP. So I go login. The body I pass in. Those are all not needed. I just need the doc ID and the password, which I'm sure it'll parse. It's posted first. Okay. I think it was not able to bind the JSON, which is okay. Uh, Login field doc ID should be an integer. So there we go. We also get a number. So cookies dot set doc ID. Oh, that is actually so much more easier. I don't need to do anything. That's brilliant. So yep, we set both of them now. Let us actually log out and log in again. So go one, go password, and hopefully there you go, doc ID and token. Right. So now we can get started in the protected directory working on an account page. So we can have account page.tsx, which is a React server component. We go trfc, trfc, there we go. So account page, there we go. We return a division of stuff. Yep. Before we do that, however, we need the doc info. So we go doc is we also import the backend. So we go import backend. There you go. Import backend from const await fetch backend plus doctors plus yep. There we go. Method is get. Yeah, actually I don't think I need the token, but that's fine. I'll import from Next.js. That's fine. What all do I need to get stuff from the doctors one? Doctors /1. But do I need the protected routing? Let's just throw it in. Okay, so we are getting the doctor info, but I also need to list the patients because that'll make it so damn easy, won't it? Then again, you can always just filter from the existing patients while let the back end do something the front end can. True, but huh, but so yeah, let's that's a problem for later. Let's at least uh, what is that called in Lucid Icons? Account, uh, person, yeah, person icon. There you go. Hopefully that's the right one. I think I already have the button component. Yeah, hopefully. Uh, GitHub Copilot, you know me so well. How about something like that? No, you just need it. That's fine. I can go like flex row, justify between, and items center. That fixes the thing, hopefully. Yeah, that does fix it temporarily. Then I put like a gap x of 5, which should separate it nice and clean. There we go. Now we just don't want the person icon. We want to make it accessible. So we go account, but that ruins the thing. So we go class name, and then we go flex and flex. And items center and justify between. There we go. And give this a gap of x as well. So we go gap x of 4, which is too much, maybe a 2. And they should still be correlated. There we go. And we want the variant on this to be sort of dull. So we want it to be like an outline maybe. There we go. Want it to be dull. And yeah, there we go. Account. Actually, I've been told that music makes streams better. So let's actually see if uh, yeah, I'm aware. I listen to programming music a lot. This music for programming.net, but I'm not sure if I can use it for a live stream. Uh, and what's enterprise? Uh, no, this is not what I meant. Mm, uh, okay, how can I? And never will. Should be considered. If you're one of the artists and not happy with the situation, get in touch. Okay, so yeah, uh, if you're discovered, please check the track listings. But I bear in mind, please support them directly whenever possible. I think it should be okay if I play. Reduce the volume a lot. Yeah. Let me see if I'm even live. Like, wrong, wrong, wrong YouTube channel. There you go. I seem to be live. Let me see if I'm even live. Like, wrong, wrong, wrong video. It seems to be alright. Maybe I can like keep it at 5 and then go to OBS. Get that down significantly. There we go. Keep it to a good 30 decibel, minus 16 or so. As that should hopefully be enough to have a good this thing. Great. So now we can start working on the account page. Hopefully. That gets me the docs. Right. But I can also get the pending ones. So pending patients is await. What route was it? I forget. This is my API reference for now, by the way. So we go. Wait. Pending slash DocCache. Right. See, this is basically self-documenting code, as they might. Pending plus cookies dot. Actually, multiple cookie reads might be a bit weird, so we just go const doc id is that straight away, right? And const token is that straight away. That should make our job a lot easier. And then just go token here now, right? And instead of being this larger string, it can be just doc id. This too can be pending slash doc id. Get request token, perfect. And yeah, const pending is read as Isham. And yeah, I guess just render out data for me. Hopefully that should be good enough. If you're able to do that. Objects are not. Someone should write a plugin for that. I want every object to be automatically stringified. Doc ID is that, patient excellent. Okay, so let's see if we also get the pending. Pending Joe Turner, perfect. So now what if why is it 000? That's wrong. That should not be the case. Actually, trust one. Like Jake Salvi, age is 80 because he's old. This man, payment, he's rich, so that's 90,000. Random number. So the Dr. Lily Olivier is available, my favorite. And then we have back pain because of all the avatar stuff. We have slicks, obviously. Diagnosis, just stop riding dragons. Yeah, just stop. Medicines, grinded tea leaves? No, how about some Electra or something like that? Just advised him to stop swimming and running too much. There we go. This is submit form details, and now why did that happen? We have Jake Sully right here. What happened? Let's go to edit form, or whatever that was. Create patient form, yeah. So what really happens is the body is okay. All that's willy-nilly. Excellent. String of response. Okay. And what to be actually sent as a response for the create patient? Where is new slash patient? New slash patient. There we go. We send the patient ID as the response. Okay. what really is the problem, then okay, before you do all that stuff, like, can you just console.log? Actually, yeah, let's just, yeah, this is not what we're going to do. Redirect your patient page. For now, just don't do anything. Yeah, that's fine for now. But now we go here, and hopefully, yeah, there we go. We have Jake Sully, and yeah, seems alright. It's Wednesday, October the 11th. Yeah, I don't see any issues right there. The payment is pending. Was the doctor, Dr. Olivia? So it's like Doctor 3. Right. So what happens when I ask for pending patients of Olivia? Does Jake Sully shows up because he's still pending. He's in the pending table. So yeah, it makes sense that he shows up. So yeah, I'm not crazy. It's not like, yeah. So how about we don't show this in the account, but we have a separate section called like manage. So and automatically please do that. Automatically this manage redirects to manage/the doc ID, which would be perfect. So all of this can still exist. We can have a new dynamic route. You go in the dynamic route, and what's that again? What page? There you go. This is what I need. Always keep forgetting the syntax, so just have it lying around here. Oh, that's cool. So not query, we have the hash, and the doc ID hence is just hash or params. No. Params.hash. That makes it perfect. And then we have the normal page.tsx here, which is the root layout. You have seen you go account redirect, something like that. Account redirect. Now this here is responsible for collecting the ID in the first place, right? So now just redirect it to /manage/doc ID, and that's never accessible at all. So it's perfect. And then there we go. Oh, that works already. Manage/1. So if I log out right now and log in back with Lily Olivia this time, that's a really bad name. That's fine. There's no account page. Let's change that. This is now manage, and yeah, maybe managing is more important than logging out. So maybe we put that there first. So you put that there first, maybe. And returns. Right, so I can just be like, maybe I create a custom component called patient, and this determines if the patient paid, is pending or not. Right, that pending can be another custom component. Yeah, this goes in the base component because we used a lot. The pend component is again trfc pending, and there's not really like a pending switch I can talk about. There's a table that I have to read from. So actually I think we need a new route which handles the pending. So I can just go r.get just pending. Pendings. It can just be pending all, maybe something like that. Something cool like that. So let's do like pending. Oh, I did not create it in the store itself. Maybe I need to do that. If the store itself doesn't have a pending of get all pending, that might help. So get all the pending, and that returns the patient and the error. So I can go func pq db instant, what's that called, get all pending, right, and that returns a list of patients, a slice of patients, or oh no, that doesn't take in anything actually. It merely returns an array of patients and an error. Okay, so the query is select star from pending. Error is not clear, return error. We have a new pending patients one array for rows.next. Yeah, let GitHub Copilot do the job. There we go. Oh no, you got me wrong. So I just need the patient IDs. That's it. Then are you filling out the last ones, or alright, you're just doing the get patients there? Yeah, that's quite clever. So we go API and pending. We go new func API, which is API stuff. Then we go handle all pending, right, and that accepts a context from gen, right, and I think I basically do the same thing, just go like this. This is all I'll be needing. Oh, that's a new edge. Store dot get all pending. There we go. So now hopefully really down and restart my server using make build and make run. There we go. We have a new pending get. So if I just go to pending, and I get all the pendings, and not all of them are my Olivia, so that will help in the overall management, right? Okay, so oh, we have a patient.tsx that should now, it should be a card, but actually, yeah, it should technically be a card, just a card. So trfc this patient, yep, and yeah, in props it acts as a hash, not a hash, a patient, which is like a patient object, right? And a doc optionally, which is a doctor object, right? And that's it, I guess. Well, that should be all. I don't know, maybe I do need to pass in the doctor object every time, because now that's clear in most cases. Don't really need to do that. Oh, actually, I just need to stop the music. I need to think. I don't know if I'm even audible at this point. Hopefully, I am. Stop the music. I need to think. This manage redirects to man. So, the division right here. I can put in a small little division. You know what? I think Shadsian has like a card component somewhere. We have a card. We have a card, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we have a card. So, huh, we don't need to do much for the card. It's just cool with it. Yeah, I guess this is all I'll be needing. Uh, Stop for a while. Oh my god. Stop. Stop for a while. There we go. Paste. Oh no. Is that in properly? Shut your. There we go. That should hopefully take some time. Yeah, there we go. That's done. Cool, cool, cool. Oh no. NPM run dev. There you go. Next dev. Take your time. And that's it. So that's all we'll be needing. The actual use of these, some accessibility and some design specific characteristics. I just like it. I can just put it there. Yes, so we have here, oh, the patient is passed like that, right? So link patient dot full name, uh, link patient dot, what should be put here, description, I guess that's the best I can think of. Yeah, and the whole main DocCache thing, You can go like pending dot length is greater than 0, and I go pending dot map patient is a patient, and I can go like patient. No, 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 at patient page. No, not this patient page. How do I call this? Oh, it's just patient. Okay, so we just import patient from base class patient, and yeah, patient, we pass in the patient, and the key will be patient.pid, I guess. And yeah, patient, uh, import import patient from types. uh, okay, patient as patient. Yeah, I can see the confusion there. Patient type, there we go. Hopefully when we replace that and it rebuilds the whole thing, we get a good little card like thing. Oh, there you go. That's pretty neat. Now to customize it, maybe I can give this a class name of like py5 and px2. So yeah, that becomes cool, right? And this can be class name. I want help. So Copilot, please help. Copilot, there we go. Take it time, take it time. So yeah, there we go. We have three cards. Um, right. Uh, Maybe we go shadow and LG, hover. No, not you. Intelligence. I want Copilot. No. I guess I did it way too much. Like, maybe it's shadow SM at first, but the moment that happens, it can go a bit. No, too much. I'm giving it a padding, so I guess that would be a problem. There we go. There we go. That looks awesome, but that's too abrupt. So maybe we add like a transform and a transition or duration of 500. Yeah, that does it nice and smooth. This is just React anyways. We pass in patient as a prop, and in the main card content, maybe I can paste something from the patient on here. So I can just probably, where does that end? You can just probably do that. There we go. Uh, no card content, something like that. Oh, data is not defined, data is not defined. Yeah. Yep. Replace all data with patient. There. Uh, Import link. Yeah, that looks pretty. That looks pretty. Uh, oh, there's no need of shadows or rounded or anything of that sort. Just that should do. There we go. No borders by default. Yeah, that looks awesome. We don't want the name, obviously, because Maybe we put it right there. Mhm. Actually, we want to put here like a yellow emoji to look cool. Oh no, no, here. That looks really weird, but that's fine. Text of LG, just like a really slight improvement. Yep. So we don't need the name anymore. We actually don't need these weird headings that just don't do much. Mm, oh, okay, right. Mm, maybe we can assign like a ID to these things. The local string. Yes, that should be enough. And that should not. There we go. Uh, all of these, yeah, we won't be needing them. Um, yeah, we don't even need the last visited as much. Mm, yeah, actually, the responsibility of expanding falls on this division. So maybe I think we are better off giving the style attributes to the card itself. So yeah, that should fix a lot of stuff. No more Y3 is fine. And no more text LG. And no, there's no need for the input. There we go. Yes, that should do the trick. Okay, we don't really need the phone number here. Mhm. That that's pretty much it. Looks pretty. Managed to put there are no. There we go. So we have Zotana for her and null. Oh, so there's no question of null. It's just pending and.